Come test drive the 2026 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, touring suspension, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, fog lights, speed control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.